Good morning students. In previous video, we learned that light travels in a straight line. Today, in this video, we will discuss about mirror and reflection of light. So, let us start. Students, we all use mirrors at home. We look into the mirror and see our face in the mirror. Students, we are able to see our face due to the reflection of light by the mirror. Light which originates from our face is reflected by the mirror and we are able to see our face. In this picture also, we are able to see the trees in water due to the reflection of light. And in the second picture, we are able to see the buildings in water. This is also due to the reflection of light. So students, let us see what exactly reflection of light means. Reflection of light. When light falls on a smooth and polished surface, then after striking the surface, it returns into the same medium. This is called reflection of light. For example, students, in this picture, we can see that first light falls on a surface. And after striking the surface, light returns into the same medium. So, this is an example of reflection of light. Students, let us do an activity and prove that when light falls on a mirror, then light is reflected by the mirror. Students, we conduct this activity in a dark room. First of all, we ask one of our friend to hold a mirror in her hand at one corner of the room. Then we stand at another corner with a torch in our hand. Then, student, we cover the glass of torch with our fingers and switch it on. Then we adjust our fingers with a small gap between them so that we can get a beam of light. Then we direct the beam of the torch light onto the mirror that our friend is holding. Then we see a patch of light on the other side. Now we adjust the direction of the torch so that the patch of light falls on another friend standing in the room. This activity suggests that a mirror changes the direction of light that falls on it. Hence, we can say that light traveling along straight line gets reflected from a mirror. Let us revise what we have learned today by solving some questions. Question number 1. When light falls on a smooth and polished surface, then after striking the surface, it returns into the same medium. This is called option A, rectilinear propagation of light, option B, reflection of light, option C, refraction of light, option D, none of these. And the correct answer is option B, reflection of light. Question number 2. Which of the following does not emit light of its own? Option A, sun. option B, star, option C, firefly, option D, moon. And the correct answer is option D, moon. Practice makes perfect. Students, these are some homework questions that you need to solve at your home. I hope that you will answer these questions correctly. Thank you.